Hey y'all, what's up? Today I'm gonna cover how much money should you have saved and how much time when teaching ESL abroad. If you are like me, enjoy life, and know the principle of spend money to make money, then you will be very happy with your success of saving money within your own time frame of teaching English abroad. Although there is truly no right or wrong answer for this topic, I will give it to you in a clear and simple format. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, if you're teaching ESL abroad, from 1 to 3 years of teaching and teaching private English lessons abroad in a prosperous money-making country, I repeat, prosperous money-making country, such as Japan and China, you should have at least $100,000 to $200,000 saved, US dollars, of course, and that's a minimum as well. Basically, from 3 to 5 years of teaching and teaching private English lessons abroad in a prosperous money-making country, you should have at least $200,000 to $400,000 US dollars saved, minimum average. 5 to 10 years of teaching and teaching private English lessons abroad in a prosperous money-making country, you should and can have at least $400,000 to even $1 million US dollars saved, minimum average. Then again, and as mentioned throughout my book and my videos, what you do and how much money you make really all depends on only one person, and that is you. As long as you play the game right, listen to me, implement my tactics, and be happy with the results, then everything will work in your favor and you will have tons of money, plain and simple. Or don't play the game correctly, don't listen to me, don't implement my tactics, and you won't be happy with the results and will have wasted plenty of time and end up as one of the loser type English teachers with nothing to show for. Okay, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. You have a lovely day today. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad and know where the best places are to move to teach English overseas and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume, revamp, edit, and reference services as well. That will definitely help you out on your journey. You have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome vids. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.